Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need a saved scene and the object selected, so start there. Once you have the object highlighted in the outliner or viewport, open the attribute editor or channel box to see its name field. Make sure you aren't in component mode. Rename only works on objects. You're doing this early to avoid breaking existing connections. If your scene has referenced files, note them now because references behave differently when renamed. Now rename using the channel box or attribute editor by editing the transform name and pressing enter to commit. You should also rename the shape node if present so scripting and rigs remain consistent. Use a clear naming convention, type, purpose, and index to prevent confusion later. If the object is referenced, create a namespace-friendly name. Once done, run a quick script editor check. Print the node name to verify. Finish by testing selection, constraints, and any linked scripts or render layers to confirm nothing broke. If you must rename many objects, use Maya's rename options or a short Python/mel loop to preserve indices and shape links. Make sure to save a new version after successful renaming. If something goes wrong, missing constraints or broken references, reopen your backup scene and compare node names. Restoring the original names often fixes lost connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.